Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So today I am going to show you how to fetch the records in Oracle, whichever the items sold on first date of month. Okay, so you have thousands of records or millions of records. Okay, OLTP transaction records. You have to find. Okay, you have to generate the report for whichever items sold on first date of month. So how you can achieve this? So without wasting time, let's go for the Oracle Developer tool. Here I am using SQL Oracle Developer tool, and this is my table. Okay, you can see here, select start from sales. Sales is my table here, and I have only 3 records. This is for only demo purpose. Okay, so in real time job, you have millions of records in which you have to generate the whichever item sold on first date of month. Okay, so for that I just show you query here. So I just copy paste here, but you have to write the query here. Okay, so you can see here, like select item, and here first observe the table. ID is there, and item name, column, and sale date. Okay, so here see the query. Select item comma sale date from sales table, where extract within parenthesis day from sale underscore date is equal to 1, and extract month from sale underscore date is equal to extract within parenthesis month from sys date. So this is what the query goes like this. Okay, you can see and practice this query and understand the logic here, whichever logic used in this query, so you can understand properly this query. Okay, so first we can see here selected the item and sale date from sales table, and we are using where condition extract of day from sale date underscore date. This is column name, entity name is equal to 1, and extract within parenthesis month from sale underscore date column and is equal to extract month from sys date. So this is system date is equal to the extract month from sale date. Okay, but condition where we mentioned here, the sale date day from sale date is equal to 1. So you just execute this, so you will get the TV that is sold on 1 September 23. The first date of month whichever the item is sold out is TV. So like this, by using this query you have to find the whichever item sold on the month first date. Okay, so this is most important interview query, so that you can understand the logic here and prepare. Just build your own table, have at least minimum of 50 to 100 records from that, and then you execute this query. Then you are able to get the complete idea here, concept here. So I think you like this video, and I will be with you with some more most important queries and concepts about Oracle SQL and ETL testing related videos. So thanks for watching friends. Bye bye, have a nice day, take care.